Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble, and in this video we are going to see how to troubleshoot issue related to hanging or crashing apps in Windows 10 operating system. I am going to show you 3 steps and those would be helpful for you guys to resolve this issue. But the third step is pretty much easy and I want you to watch full video for this particular step. But step number 1 and step number 2 will also help you to resolve this issue. So keep watching this video till the end and it would be helpful for you. So start with the step number 1. We have to use one command, and to use that particular command we have to open command prompt. Just click on search box and type cmd. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. It will ask for user account control permission, then click on yes. Just type ws reset and hit enter. It will reset all your applications which is pre-built in Windows 10 operating system. It won't going to reset your applications which are from vendors. Vendor means like Photoshop, Microsoft Office. It is not going to reset those applications. The applications which is in the Microsoft Store and pre-built with Windows 10 operating system. So it is going to take some time. You can see Microsoft Store is open and it has reset the applications, and it is going to open Microsoft Store like you are able to see in the video. So once Microsoft Store is open, you can check if your applications are working or not. If your applications are not working, you have to follow another step that I'm going to show you, that is step number 2. So the step number 2 is a command to re-register the applications into Windows 10 operating system. And to follow this command you have to use this command you have to open PowerShell. So type PowerShell in the search box and open it with administrator privileges. It will again ask you for user account control permissions and then it will open. So I'm going to give you this command in the description box below. So I'm going to just copy this command from my website which is nileshkamble.in. I have already written the article on this. If you want to read the article, you can check out the article as well. I'm going to give you the link in the description below. So I'm going to copy this command and just paste in the PowerShell. So just hit enter and it will start re-registering the applications which are there in Windows 10 operating system. It is going to take some time. Meanwhile, I'm going to pause the recording and will come back once it is finished. So the re-registration of the applications is complete. You would also get this kind of error. This is because some of the applications are open and that particular application is not able to re-register. So like start menu, experience, host. So these are the applications which are already open. Now you can check if the applications you are trying to open and was getting errors are working or not. If you're still not able to resolve that particular issue, then you have to follow the third step, that is the last one step. And to follow the last one step, you have to right click on Windows and then go to settings. In the settings, you have to search for troubleshoot settings. Then click on find a setting, type troubleshoot and you would get troubleshoot settings. In the troubleshoot settings page, just scroll down and click on Windows Store apps. In the Windows Store apps, you would find run the troubleshooter. Just click on run the troubleshooter and it will start detecting problems into applications which are having issues, and it will resolve these particular issues for you guys. So you don't have to follow those 1 and 2 steps if you are following this particular step. So it will diagnose all the issues, it will check the registry case and all those things, and going to resolve the issue. So you can see troubleshooting couldn't identify the problem because I don't have any such problems in the Microsoft Store applications. So if you are having issues, it is going to resolve with this particular step. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, please hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.